Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into some massive news from the world of space exploration that's shaking up the industry. Jeff Bezos's Blue Origin has just pulled off something incredible, a feat that firmly places them in the big leagues of the commercial space race. They successfully landed their colossal New Glenn rocket booster on a drone ship out in the Atlantic Ocean. This is a huge deal, and it's not just us saying it. Even rival CEO Elon Musk of SpaceX gave a public shout-out, congratulating the Blue Origin team on their monumental achievement. So, what exactly happened? The New Glenn rocket, a true behemoth standing over 320 feet tall, lifted off from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. It was powered by 7 of their advanced BE-4 engines, and its primary mission was to deploy NASA's twin Escapade satellites. These satellites are now on their way to Mars to study its atmosphere, which is a fantastic mission in itself. But what happened next is what has everyone buzzing. After separating from the upper stage, the massive first stage booster began its controlled descent back to Earth. In a nail-biting sequence, it flawlessly touched down on the drone ship named Jacqueline, floating miles out in the ocean. This makes Blue Origin only the second company in history, after SpaceX, to master the incredibly complex technology of landing an orbital-class rocket booster for reuse. Think about that for a second. We're talking about landing a skyscraper-sized vehicle, after it has traveled to the edge of space, onto a relatively small moving platform in the middle of the ocean. The precision required is just mind-boggling. What's even more impressive is that they nailed this landing on only their second attempt. Blue Origin CEO Dave Limp highlighted this, stating, "Never before in history has a booster this large nailed the landing on the second try." This success wasn't just about sticking the landing, it was about achieving full mission success, from launch to satellite deployment to booster recovery. The team is understandably ecstatic. And this is just the beginning of what they're planning. Now, let's talk about why this is such a game changer. The key word here is reusability. For decades, rockets were single-use machines. The most expensive part, the first stage booster, would just be discarded in the ocean after every launch. SpaceX revolutionized the industry with their Falcon 9 rockets by showing that you could land and reuse these boosters, drastically cutting the cost of getting to space. This is what has allowed them to dominate the launch market for years. With the successful recovery of the New Glenn booster, Blue Origin is now officially a major competitor in the reusable rocket arena. This isn't just about one successful landing. It's about proving their technology and business model. The New Glenn rocket is designed to be reused up to 25 times. Imagine the cost savings that will bring. This will make deep space missions, satellite deployments, and potentially even human spaceflight more accessible and affordable. The competition in space is heating up. And that's fantastic news for all of us. This rivalry between companies like Blue Origin and SpaceX pushes innovation forward at an incredible pace. It accelerates a future where space is not just for a select few government agencies, but is a bustling frontier for science, commerce, and exploration. This achievement challenges SpaceX's long-held dominance and introduces a powerful new player, capable of launching heavy payloads. And there's no shortage of customers lining up. Blue Origin has already secured a packed manifest for New Glenn for years to come. They have contracts with NASA for future missions, with Amazon for their Project Kuiper satellite internet constellation, and with other major players like AST Spacemobile and various telecommunications companies. This successful flight and landing will give all those customers a huge boost of confidence and likely attract even more business. Elon Musk's reaction is also noteworthy. On social media, he directly congratulated Jeff Bezos and the Blue Origin team. This show of sportsmanship is pretty cool to see. Despite the intense competition, there is a clear mutual respect for the immense engineering challenges involved in what they were both trying to do. It's a community of pioneers who understand just how hard this is. So what's next for Blue Origin? According to their CEO, this is just the start. They plan to rapidly scale our flight cadence. This means we can expect to see more New Glenn launches happening more frequently as they build up a fleet of reusable boosters. They'll be able to launch missions for their customers at a faster and more competitive rate. We are witnessing the birth of a new era in commercial spaceflight, one defined by competition, reusability, and ever-expanding possibilities. The race to the stars just got a whole lot more interesting. This successful mission is a testament to years of hard work, dedication, and overcoming setbacks. It is a huge victory for the entire Blue Origin team and a significant step forward for the entire space industry. We'll be keeping a very close eye on their next launch and how this new dynamic plays out in the ongoing space race. What do you guys think about this achievement? Are you excited to see more competition in the launch market? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this update, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on the future of space exploration. See you in the next one.